Hi, welcome to this channel. In today's math tutorial, we are going to be simplifying the expression under the square root. In this expression, we have different powers of 2. We've got 2 to the power of x plus 2, 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x minus 3, and 2 to the power of x minus 1. The least among these powers is 2 to the power of x minus 3. So first, we are going to factor out this least power of 2 from all the powers of 2. Make it become 2 to the power of x minus 3. Then we do plus 5. That is going to make it 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 times 2 to the power of x minus 3 plus 3 and plus 2 to the power of x minus 3 over 2 to the power of x minus 3 plus 2, which is what makes it 2 to the power of x minus 1. And recall that one important law of exponents and powers is that when we have a to the power of m plus n, can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. This we apply to the expression, thus giving us the square root of 2 to the power of x minus 3 times 2 to the power of 5. The second term becomes 3 times 2 to the power of x minus 3 times 2 to the power of 3, while the last term remains 2 to the power of x minus 3 over denominator becoming 2 to the power of x minus 3 times 2 to the power of 2. Then from the numerator, we are going to factor 2 to the power of x minus 3. So 2 to the power of x minus 3 taken out, and we have 2 to the power of 5 minus 3 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 1. In the denominator, we have 2 to the power of x minus 3 times 2 to the second power, so that easily 2 to the power of x minus 3 can cancel out, leaving us with the square root of 2 to the power of 5 minus 3 times 2 to the third power plus 1 in the numerator and 2 to the second power in the denominator. This becomes the square root of 32 for 2 to the 5th power minus 3 times 8 plus 1 over 4, giving the square root of 32 minus 24 plus 1 over 4. That is the square root of 9 over 4. 32 minus 24, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And the square root of 9 over 4 is 3 over 2. Simplified without using any calculator. I believe you enjoyed this math tutorial. Let us know in the comment section. Like the video and help us to share it. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so right now by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time from this channel. So we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day.